The Water Science Forum made its return to the Okanagan Valley for the first time since 2015. The event was to be held a couple years ago and was put on hold due to the pandemic.
Really, it's about building relationships and having people work together, understand where each other are coming from. So the whole goal is to have a healthier Osoyoos Lake in the end.
People from both sides of the border are in Osoyoos to discuss lake health, water levels, impacts from climate change, and current concerns for the international waterway.
There's quite a bit of development pressure, both in the U.S. and Canada, people building around the lake. How do you manage that? Concerns about how much boats there are, endangered species as well as invasive species.
This year, the forum is featuring more Indigenous voices so they can share their cultural knowledge and history on the waterways.
It's important to understand that Indigenous people for years we had economics, we had governance, we had leadership structures, we had an environmental policy, if you will. Those things existed, and they have always existed. And so now it's about acknowledging what was and what has worked and bringing it into the present.
The forum allows participants to discuss strategies and solutions with scientists and researchers. The Okanagan Basin Water Board says the forum is just one part of their collaboration with the Okanagan Nation Alliance.
Their nation has always been what we now would say on both sides of the boundary. It's just a artificial construct, and so we really need to all work together if we all want to have this shared water body in its best health possible.
The forum continues on Saturday. Jasmine King, Global News, Osoyoos.